All right, ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. The action is lit and legit. Here, August 1st, 2020. We have a major burst of convection from tropical storm Isaias as it is trying to re-strengthen, and this could pose potential major flood problems for people in South Florida and then down the East Coast line as this thing will carry on. Right now, it looks like it's almost stationary. We've got major fire happening in California. Voluntary evacuations now in effect for the community of Forest Falls. Fire encroaching on Snow Peak, San Bernardino National Forest. This is the Apple Fire, which looks like a volcano. And technically, due to all the gas giants on the same side, I have us all, Asteroid Fight Club, on a 90 to 95% chance of a volcano eruption on the West Coast, including California, Oregon, Washington, Canada, and Alaska this year. And we got severe weather moving through Ohio and the general area around there, because Isaias isn't the only severe weather threat tonight. So please be careful and don't die. So it is safe to say that the energy is lit tonight to start off and kick off August. So please, Florida, don't sleep on this. Please, Carolinas and the East Coast, don't sleep on this. It is still 2020, and technically 2020 keeps getting more challenging as it progresses. And technically, ICS looks like a dragon, dude. And anytime something looks like a dragon, we definitely take the weird weather watch up a notch. And here shows us, it looks like the atmospheric defense team is trying to play defense, because here's the low over here, and then it's separated from the convection, but now the convection has popped up almost like a volcano burst. And then look at that happening. And there's a lot happening here, man. So it definitely appears like Tropical Storm Isaias is trying to get back to hurricane strength. Remember, he's got 4 days before he will leave the coast. So everybody on the coast needs to be paying attention to this situation. And hurricane season has basically just begun. And we got another new fire southeast of Creston. So this is the pond fire. And the sun is either getting in on the action or causing the action, as we have 1, 2, 3 sunspots. Technically, I'm pretty sure this sunspot, they haven't named it yet. But when the sun acts weird, earth weather acts weird, and sometimes people lose their mind. And then you got a full moon in like 2 days. So, 2020 is just going to continue to get more WTFE for sure. Man, the sun is so wild. Yeah, dude, the Apple Fire looks like a volcano eruption. I'm not saying 100% it is, but I'm not saying that if it was, your government would tell you. Isaias, down but not out. This by Stu Ostro. From exposed low cloud swirl to 57,000 foot tops with this new convective burst. And after Florida will bring strong gusty winds and torrential downpours up the eastern states. And this is definitely one of the most impressive convective bursts I've ever seen. And you can see the lightning activity in it. And so like there's the low right there. And so what they've been doing is separating the convection from the low so that it can't intensify into like a category 3, category 4, category 5 hurricane. But it's still like playing whack-a-mole with Mother Nature. So 2020 is going to be a big battle, man. Prayers out to everybody in Florida, and just get ready for the year to just keep getting weirder, man. And we just sent our like 100th spacecraft to Mars, but Venus is the really cool one, man. It's kind of like, imagine what they're not telling us about volcanoes. Imagine what they're not telling us about Venus. We send all these spaceships to a planet that's just orange dirt, but they won't even send anything. They won't even send like a GoPro on a stick to Venus. That's weird, man. That's really weird. It's time for Asteroid Fight Club to step up its game. Okie dokie. What will happen next on the 2020 bingo card? Go ahead and take your guesses. Ooh, also to add to the excitement, I do a monthly fundraiser, which makes my life like a game show. I try and work my butt off one month, and hopefully it pays off the next month. And so this month is Cliffhanger. I've only got $1,339 left to raise with 2.5 days to go. If you would like to contribute, snail mail's great, PayPal's great, Venmo's great, Cash App's great. I mean, save the USPS, so snail mail's the best. But I'm saying Cash App's great. Patron would work. And thank you to Rachel, Athena, Marjute, Robert, Caleb, Richard, Courtney, Summer, Angel, Damien, Angelique, James, Mike, Andy, Robert, Bennett, Matthew, Jess, Angel, Wagon Breath, and Dan. And all of Asteroid Fight Club. And everyone out there who's cool. All right. God bless everyone.